These questions cover a broad range of topics from fundamental TensorFlow concepts to advanced topics such as model optimization and distributed training. Depending on the role, e.g., machine learning engineer, deep learning specialist, the interviewer may focus on specific areas relevant to the job. For master's projects and research works using TensorFlow, please contact us, Senthil Kumar, plus 91 95 97 49 53 33 guns. Explanation of TensorFlow as an open-source library for deep learning and machine learning tasks. Explain the difference between a tensor and a variable in TensorFlow. Discuss how tensors are multidimensional arrays, while variables represent modifiable tensors. What are the main components of the TensorFlow architecture? Include components like tensors, computational graphs, and sessions. How does TensorFlow handle computation graphs? Description of static computational graphs and how TensorFlow uses them to optimize execution. Problem solving and coding questions. 1. How would you build and train a neural network using the Keras API in TensorFlow? Basic steps to define, compile, and train a sequential or functional model. 2. Write a TensorFlow code to implement a simple linear regression. Example of coding a linear regression model from scratch. 3. How do you handle overfitting in a TensorFlow model? Techniques like regularization, dropout, and early stopping in TensorFlow. Advanced TensorFlow questions. 1. How would you optimize a TensorFlow model for deployment on mobile or edge devices? Discussion on TensorFlow Lite, quantization, and model pruning techniques. 2. What is transfer learning and how can it be implemented in TensorFlow? Description of using pre-trained models like VGG, ResNet, etc., and how